The future of work is already here. Voice and AI together are reshaping how enterprises work and communicate with their teams and with the world. AudioCodes is powering the voice AI journey for intelligent enterprises with advanced voice solutions and voice AI innovation. Modernizing unified communications and contact center environments with secure voice networking, seamless cloud migration, enhanced meeting experiences, and advanced voice AI services. Turning every conversation, whether human or AI, into real business value. Trusted by the world's leading enterprises, backed by more than 30 years of global expertise and innovation, and delivered at scale anywhere in the world. We unlock the full potential of voice, moving your business forward with intelligence.
LivePlatform is our service delivery platform. It enables you to support one or several unified communication as a service solution, and also even on-premise solutions, add value-added services, and streamline your service delivery. Let's look a bit closer on LivePlatform. As you can see at the bottom, the platform supports all the main UCaaS solutions, and not only UCaaS, and it will enable you to use the vendor programs as well, like the Microsoft Operator Connect, the Webex Cloud Connect, even the Zoom Provider Exchange, and do that in an optimized way. The foundation of the platform services are the voice networking services here. They include PSTN calling, that is the enablement for the UCaaS, 6 modernization for customers migrating to contact center as a service, fixed mobile convergence, and the calling plans that we are enabled through via our partners. The value-added services include contact center. This is our VOCA conversational interaction center, recording via our interaction insight solution, and intelligence meeting through our meeting insight service. The platform framework that you see here in the center, this is loaded with management tools, automation tools, monitoring and analytics capabilities, reporting tools and APIs, and all the other goodies that are the key for for you to boost your delivery and enable your a seamless experience in when working with your customers. A few additional important facts for you. So we are able to support 2-tier partners that sell directly to end customers, and also 3-tier partners that sell through a network of resellers and they want to delegate some of the self-service capabilities to their resellers. You should keep in mind that the AudioCodes service team can support you with professional services and address specific customer needs or resources needs that you have. And if you want to purchase the platform services via the Azure Marketplace, that is also possible. Another important benefit for you is our partner program. We have introduced this year a rebate program, which is a benefit for all our certified partners. The benefit will grant you at the end of the year up to 6% of your revenues with AudioCodes Live and up to 20% on MTR sales. The entry level is not too high, and I expect this this program to continue in 2026. So I think it's a big value for you to hope on it, even if not this year, then next year. On top, we have a load of online training tools free of charge. And we have other incentives like marketing funds that you can benefit from. These are all operated via our partner portal, and certified partners are welcome to sign up for it at any time. And to summarize my part on LivePlatform, I want to, what is the key point here is that we want you to help you scale your services. We offer you, faster time to revenue. You can deploy Teams and Webex and even Zoom in days, not in months, with automated onboarding and policy tools, etc. You can unlock recurring margin, resell voice services, devices, contact centers, recording, and AI value-added services with predictable revenue. And these streams will be also coming with partner-friendly pricing from our side. You will enjoy reduced labor burden. It's one platform for provisioning, monitoring, device management, and compliance. So fewer tools, less engineers' time spent on them. This is a big value. operationally, you have also an advantage. Single platform for lifecycle management, provisioning, and monitoring. You can integrate with legacy system, support analog devices, and even third-party platform without custom coding. And you can build your differentiated offering, boost retention with differentiated services, deliver advanced CX and compliance capabilities, for example, and that your competitors cannot do. And keep your clients from that will keep your clients from jumping to other offering. And with that, I want to thank and hand over to Roy and let him go deeper, into the platform and show you some of the goodies we have there.
Now, what we did actually, we took all of the foundation and the core services that we had in AudioCodes and actually combined them into one a single platform. And Benny started to mention, and Tom as well, talked about the value-added services and the foundation of the voice. And Benny also mentioned the framework of the platform. So we took all of it. We took what partners need to deliver when it's come to Teams, Webex, and Zoom, unified all of it, and now actually this platform can empower you and your customers. So going really fast from left to right, you will have the presentation later on, but think about easy provisioning on all of the type of the platforms. Here it's focusing on the Microsoft angle from Operator Connect, direct routing, if there is a need for PBX integration. Enabling all of the user spec, from lifecycle management, voice, user provisioning, policy provisioning, even LBR, okay? Going into the customer, which have more requirement on hybrid cases, like they need a resiliency, you can manage the SBA as a device. You can manage MSBR, which can give you a resiliency with 4G and 5G, or even ATA, analog gateways. So there is a lot of capabilities just for managing the device, and everything is by yourself doing it on the platform itself. So you can think about all of the managed services you can supply to your customer, starting from, I mentioned, the provisioning, the day two management that you can give to your customers. And of course, what we mentioned before, the VAS solution, value-added services on top of the platform. We will talk about it, the contact center, compliance recording, AI summarization, and additional more and more services that can be on top of the PBX itself, or in that case, on top of the Teams by itself. Now let's move into the Operator Connect. We started to talk about the advantages of the Operator Connect, where actually we have really, really fast onboarding, maintaining SLAs because it's a managed program, and of course, to be able to be selected from the Microsoft portal, when AudioCodes will actually show you a web page that, as a partner, the customers will be able to choose you. Now, we are now opening this program not only for carriers when we was an OCA, we are becoming to be an OCP. We already been there, and now we can actually onboard you as an MSP, VAR, SI, any type of partner now can be part of the Operator Connect program. And in my demo, I will show you how you can do it, and it's really a simple process to onboard your customer. So even if you had a customer or you already have a direct routing, let's say, based solution or other solution, you can join just for the Operator Connect case, or you can actually combine all of those and use the AudioCodes Live Platform in order to handle both of them. So now that when the program is open, you can now see how we can do it. Now, what is the main difference between the Operator Connect branded version versus the AudioCodes version? If you are a carrier that require to be a carrier branded inside the program, you need that AudioCodes as an OCA, Operator Connect Accelerator, will nominate you into Microsoft. Now it depends on the approval of Microsoft. You will need to sign on NDA, an agreement, a legal agreement with Microsoft, which take time, all of this kind of ping pong. We will give you a managed platform using the Live Platform, and how fast you will get to the market, now it depends on Microsoft. in the end, you can be a carrier with a branding, but in general, in most of the cases, and that's what's happening today, Microsoft actually rejecting most of the nomination that coming to their plate. And now we have alternative way, and this is what we are publishing today. We actually published it a couple of weeks ago, but now we are talking about it. So nomination to Microsoft, not required. Legal agreement with Microsoft, you are not required. Fully managed infrastructure, yes, you will get the same live platform like any other provider, and you will be able to act exactly like any other provider. And it's fast, it's really fast. With our live platform channel approach, you will be able to be joining really fast. We will do smooth and fast certification process in order either to check your trunks, if you are bringing your own trucks and you want to sell your own numbers, or you will be able to use the calling plan that Benny mentioned before with AudioCodes, and then those calling plans was already certified. And you will be under the AudioCodes brand with, once your customer will choose the AudioCodes, it will open for them all of the partners and you will be part of it. We started to talk about the value-added services, and this is really important topic, okay? We talk about the foundation of the Operator Connect, foundation of the voice, but we want to take you into the journey that you will understand that you can do both the voice and as well the value-added services. Now we are talking about VOCA. VOCA is our contact center. CX Award winner in 2024, AI first contact center for teams. There is a multiple webinars about VOCA, and it's worth to have a dedicated session for that. Meeting Insight that Benny was mentioning before, again, US Award as well last year as a winner. You can see there is ability to have insights, real insights from a meeting, summarization, custom summarization that will be available as an enterprise grade for your customers. And one of the product that we had that was named SmartUp, gone through a next level, moved into the platform, and now called Interaction Insights. And you have all of the compliance, you can fulfill all of the compliance requirement of the customers through the Interaction Insights with a compliance recording.
AudioCodes. The future runs on voice AI.